In 3, 2, 1, go! House of Conway is on the lead. Next is Windsor. Okay, last players. Wait, what did I say? First set will only be the lower primary. That is why I asked the higher students, okay, to please sit down first because you'll have your set later.